Hello, Rick Bo. We got a new portable air compressor here. Let's check it out. Viair 88P Portable Compressor. It's got a LED work light, built-in gauge, inflator tip kit, and built-on storage. Compressor I've ever bought. I've had a bunch of cheap ones over the years, and they'll work for a little while, but not too long. Then usually the compressor part will go out. The motor will still run, but the drive shaft for the compressor will strip out. Plus they're pretty slow and take a long time to air anything up. But maybe I think it's called a 400P, and it's got like two hoses that hook together, those recoil hoses, but it's quite a bit more expensive. This was only like $65. Got it. And then let's see about the cable, the power cable, football or something. And then here's another nozzle. I guess it'd be for like an air mattress. And everything's stored on board, so it's kind of nice. We got this old 15-inch truck tire here. Let's see how long it takes it to pump it up. It doesn't show any pressure in it, and it's really soft. It's been sitting here for years. Okay, let's turn this on and see how long it takes. This is real time. We're down to 11.9 volts on this battery pack. So if we had it hooked to a running vehicle and we're at 13.5 volts, we'd get a lot better performance out of it. That's a little bit over 15. This is a P235 75R15 tire. So that's pretty typical of most car tires. I guess bigger than a lot of cars, but typical of a mid-sized truck tire. Okay, there's 25 psi. This tire probably has a pressure about 32 psi. Let's see if I can see what it says. Well, I think it says max load at 41 psi. So I guess 41 is the max pressure. There's 36 psi. This thing seems to work good. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Talk to everybody later. Bye.